Okay, on this next one, we're going to find the sum and product of the roots. Of this, and that says check your answer by solving the quadratic. Okay, right above this one in your book, we're given this information. So there's roots alpha and beta. And if we do alpha plus beta, it's going to equal negative b over a. And if we do alpha times beta, we're going to get c over a. Alright, so the first part's pretty straightforward. We just plug this in. So a is 25, b is negative 20, and c is 1. If we add the roots together, we'll get negative b over a. And so negative b is 20, a is 25. And so if we simplify that, that's 4/5. Now alpha times beta is going to be c over a, so we're going to get 1 over 25. Okay, now they want us to check, so we're going to use the quadratic formula. So we're going to say negative b is 20 plus or minus negative 20 squared minus 4 a c 2a. Alright, that's going to be 50, 25, negative 100. It's going to be 400. So we end up with 20 plus or minus square root of 300 over 50. If we break this down, 3 and 100, 10 and 10, so we can take out the 10, leave the 3. If we divide all the pieces by 10, that becomes 2 plus or minus root 3 over 5. And so if we were to add those together, we're going to get 2 plus root 3 over 5 plus 2 minus root 3 over 5. If we add those will go away, and that will be left with 4/5, which is the same thing as we got there, so that's good. Now if we multiply them, 2 plus root 3 over 5, 2 minus root 3 over 5. Multiplying the bottoms, we get 25. Multiplying the tops, we get 2 times 2 is 4. This times this is negative 2 root 3. This times this is positive 2 root 3. And this times this will be negative square root of 9. Okay, these are going to cancel. This is a 4 minus 3 on top, so that's a 1. And the bottom's 25. If we look at our multiplication, that was 1 over 25 as well. Okay, now it says the roots of the equation are alpha and beta. Find the quadratic equation with roots 3 alpha, 3 beta. Okay. So we're going to first find the sum of the originals. Hold on, let's actually go through that. So remember, the sum is negative b over a. So we get negative 5 over 4. And then alpha times beta is going to be c over a, so that's negative 1 over 4. Okay, so if we look at these ones, the sums are going to be 3 alpha plus 3 beta, which we can factor out a 3. we know what alpha plus beta is, so now I'm going to plug that in. So that's negative 15/4 for this. And multiplication, if we do something similar, do 3 alpha times 3 beta. We combine those, so it's 9 alpha beta. We know what alpha times beta is. Plug that in. So that's negative 9/4 for the multiplication. So we know that if we look at the addition one is supposed to be equal to negative b over a. And so we could say that b is equal to 15, and we could say that a is equal to 4. Now if we look at this one, it's supposed to be equal to c over a. Okay, we still have a equals 4, so that's good. And then c is equal to negative 9. And from this we can write the quadratic. Ax squared plus bx plus c. And so this would be the quadratic that has the roots 3 alpha, 3 beta. If you have additional questions, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculate